In this video, we're going to talk about how to become a millionaire by working online. First off, we're not talking about cryptocurrencies, we're not talking about get-rich-quick schemes, and we're not talking about working for Amazon. I am always amazed at how many people think that they're going to become internet millionaires overnight. And I say this humbly because I was one of them. I was riding these waves where I was getting these great, quick money overnight. I'd put on some ads, throw up some products, go to bed, and by the time I woke up, I'd have sales in my bank account. And I thought that was pretty cool. But eventually that started fizzling out. The cost of ads started increasing, and it just stopped being manageable. And I realized at one point that I was spending more money than I was actually generating. And that's no way to run a profitable business. That's no way to become a millionaire. And if you've heard my story before, I tried to build my business in complete isolation, not wanting to tell any of my friends or family members because I was going to be an overnight success and that was going to be what was going to wow people. I wasn't going to tell them about the hard work, the sweat, the tears, the stressful nights that went into building that business. The reality is, building a business is stressful, but in this video, I'm going to show you how to make it a heck of a lot easier, how I became a millionaire online, and how you can do it too. First, I'm going to show you the strategy behind every successful business online. Then I'm going to show you how to buy time. Yes, you can actually buy time, and I'm going to show you how to do it. And then even though you're going to start making millions of dollars, I'm going to show you how to save tens of thousands of dollars on your ad spend. So if you want all of this and more, stay tuned. First thing you need to focus on is your product match. Making sure that the products and the offers that you're putting out into the world are actually matched to a customer who is wounded. So some customers might say that they need a certain item, but really it's just a want. It would be nice, but there's no pressing urgent need for them to purchase that item. So they're probably going to hesitate. They're going to hum and haw about it. They're going to think about the price a bit, and then they're probably going to say no. They're going to forget about it, and they're going to pass on it. That is not going to help you become a millionaire. What is going to help you is if you make sure that you are matched to a wounded customer, a customer who desperately needs the solution that you're putting out into the world. You're going to chase that customer significantly less than the customer who's still humming and hawing about your product 3 weeks later. So if you match to a customer who is truly in desperate need of your solution, you're going to be able to start generating more revenue because now they're in your world. The next thing you have to do, you've matched your product and your service, the next thing you have to do is make sure that you have a system to ascend them. So the way that we work in the visibility hacking world is we like our lower value items at the front end where people start to come into your world. And then as they progress through your world and they get more and more intimate with you, they get more and more value out of you, they're also going to start paying more and more for your products. So making sure you have that system that's built in to ascend them from just brand new into your funnel straight up into your high ticket offers at a pace that doesn't freak them out as well. You want to make sure that yes, you are speaking to their woundedness at the beginning, you help them heal that wound, but you also then open another loop and show them that they in fact are wounded in a way they never thought they were wounded. That opens that loop that's going to get them to take that next step. And we heal them again, and we open up another loop. And we continue that process, showing them that we are not only the best solution, but we are the only solution to their particular problem. And I have a problem these days. I want you guys to help me fix it. All you have to do is hit the subscribe button, join me on this channel, and help me grow this channel to 100,000 subscribers. The honest truth that I never thought was actually true is that you actually have to spend money to make money. I didn't think that was a thing. I totally was going to hoard every single penny I ever made, and I was going to do all of the work myself. But then when I stopped thinking like that and I realized that I was going to spend some money to make some more money, that just brought the dollars rolling in at a speed that I never thought possible. So what I'm talking about is hiring staff. You don't need to hire full-time staff for your company just yet, but look for opportunities to outsource some of that work off your back. Money is time, and if you want to buy time, you have to be able to find the people who are able to take those tasks off of your to-do list so that you can free up more time to do what matters most to you. So look at the tasks that you can hand off to a virtual assistant, for example, like going through your emails or responding to customer concerns on your Facebook page or posting in your Facebook group or whatnot, loading up your content in your course. These are all things that you can hire someone to do for you. You can also hire, when I hired a video editor, that changed the game for me. That took so much time off of my hands. So you can hire video editors. You can hire people to manage your Facebook groups. If you have really high if you have really high engagement groups and you want someone to continue engaging with that group on a regular basis, you don't have to be the person who does that. You can hire that off to someone. Check out pages like Fiverr or Upwork where you can hire professionals in a variety of different fields, from graphic design to lead generation. You can hire these people to do those mini tasks, again, freeing up some of your time. Now the question of this video is, I want to know, if you had 5 extra hours in your business, what would you do with that time? Would you spend it with your family or your friends on vacation, or would you spend it doing something else in your business? Or like some of my friends in my business world like to think of, would you be working on your business rather than just in your business? Let me know down in the comments below. I'm going to share with you right now the one strategy that totally saved me tens of thousands of dollars. So remember, I was selling things online, right? And I was putting up the ads, and by the time I woke up in the morning, I had money in my bank because people were purchasing my products. But then the cost of ads skyrocketed. It became really difficult to speak to my particular customer, and I pretty much almost gave up because of the cost of trying to find new customers. Until I realized that I had been putting out ads to all of these tens of thousands of people who hadn't yet purchased my item, but still were, in some ways, my ideal customer. So what I started doing instead of putting my ad money into new customer generation, what I did was I focused on the pre-existing emails that I already had. I did retargeting campaigns to speak to the customers who had already clicked on my links, who already had watched my content, who had already perused my site. Those were the people who were humming and hawing. Remember earlier in this video, I told you to focus on people who were wounded. Well, now we're going to focus on the people who are humming and hawing with our retargeting strategy. We're not going to waste money chasing them one after another. When we build an automated campaign, we allow our computers to do that for us. The algorithms are going to hunt these people down. They're going to find them. They're going to show them our content. They're going to feed them our ads. And that's going to continue that brand recognition. We need our brand to show up in front of our people like 28 times before they trust us and they'll be willing to purchase from us. So the way that we do that in the digital marketing way is through retargeting campaigns. This is why collecting emails is so vitally important. So make sure your lead generation campaigns are connected to your retargeting campaigns. They fit in synchronous with each other and they feed off of each other. Your retargeting campaign will continuously grow with your new ads that you're putting out, with any of your opt-in and lead generation funnels, with any of your links that you connect back to, say, your Facebook pixel, if you're running Facebook ad campaigns. It's really fantastic because the cost of retargeting to someone you've already found is going to be significantly less because you're not asking the algorithm to do as much work. You're saying, look for these people and people who are like them, rather than look for everyone in the US who is between these ages and who maybe likes this thing. That's a lot more work. So do the work, save the money. Beautiful. And when it's automated, that frees up your time to do things that matter most. If you want to know more ways to do things that matter most to help build up your visibility for your coaching program or your new online course or your e-commerce store, whatever it is you do for the world, well, click the links down below and join us for the Visibility Hacking Secrets training. It's an underground vault, members only, and you can have access absolutely free just for watching the video all the way to this point. Click the links down below. I will see you there, and in the meantime, check out one of these videos because I think you'll like it, the algorithm thinks you'll like it, and let me know if you like it down in the comments below.